Hello everyone, in today's video let's talk about the best ATK F1 mouse setting. So I'm inside the ATK Gear Hub, and of course the first thing that you want to do is to select your mouse. Now most cases your mouse will automatically be detected by the ATK software, so just open it up. And from here the first thing that we are going to talk about is our DPI setting. Basically, the best DPI settings out there that most pro players use, including popular players like Shroud, Tens, and more, is going to be the 800 DPI right here. So you want to set something like 400, 800, 1600, and finally for the last one, you can set this to whatever you want to. Now in this setup, we have the best of both worlds. Basically, we have the 400 and we have the 800, which is going to be the best one, and we have the next best thing, which is going to be 1600, which is my personal favorite. Now, after making sure that you have set it this way, let's navigate through the performance setting. In here, you want to make sure that your polling rate is set into something like 1000 above. Now take note that this will consume more battery, so selecting something like 8K will then make your mouse drain faster. So you want to turn this down after playing a game into something like 500 or 250. Once again, just select something like 2K for the best results. Now, click on the parameter setting, and then you want to enable the motion synchronization. This will just smooth out your mouse movement. So for example, if you're tracking your targets, this will then smooth out the movement for that specific task. Inside this page, you also want to navigate through the key, the bounce delay, and then select 1ms. And for the last option, you then want to set this into something like 3 minutes, 2 minutes, or 1 minute, so making sure that your mouse doesn't turn off automatically. And as an additional note, you also want to disable your RGB lights because this will drain your battery much faster. But if you don't have concern about your battery life, just turn it on or leave it on, and that's basically it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.